If Firefox keeps asking you to make it your primary browser, this quick fix will help you turn that prompt off in just a minute. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to stop Firefox from asking again, so you can open your browser without that repeated pop-up getting in the way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu button, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu with all of your browser settings and options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can control startup behavior, privacy options, and more. Now on the settings page, look for the Startup section. Depending on your version of Firefox, this may be in the General area. In that section, you should see an option that says, Always check if Firefox is your default browser. This is the setting that causes Firefox to keep asking whether you want it to be your primary browser. To disable the prompt, simply clear the checkmark next to that option. Once that box is unchecked, Firefox will stop checking and will no longer keep asking you to make it your default browser. After that, you can just close the Settings tab and your change will be saved automatically. That's it. The prompt should now be turned off, and you can browse without the repeated default browser message showing up. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.